Space-saving, compact, low-profile design based on the Evolv X chassis. USB powered with rich and dynamic sound clarity. Simple plug-and-play setup with convenient volume and lighting control for adjusting volume and lighting options easily. Integrated digital RGB lighting with the unique color patterns from Phanteks. The Phanteks Evolv Sound Mini speakers perfectly match the award-winning Evolv X chassis. The integrated lighting harmonizes with the Digital-RGB color patterns known from Phanteks, while the audio drivers pack a punch in a compact form factor. The small and space-saving design is ideal for gaming and casual music listening. Complement your Evolv setup with the Evolv Sound Mini speakers. Dimension: WxHxD, 3.1 in by 5.4 in by 3.2 in. 1 speaker module. Controls: power button, volume up, volume down, DRGB mode, DRGB color. Materials: ABS plastic, fabric. Lighting: Digital-RGB LED. Power input: 5V, 1A. Total watts, peak, 10W. Total watts, RMS, 6W. Cables: micro USB cable 1000 40.0 in, USB power cable 1000 40.0 in, 3.5 mm audio cable 1000 40.0 in. Certification: CEEMC, REACH, ROHS 2.0, WEEE, FCC SDcc, IC, CCC, BSMI, RCM, PSE, EMC. Top reviews from the United States. Incredible little speakers. These little Phanteks speakers are incredible. Very clear, crisp audio, and they go hella loud for their size. I have used the legendary Logitech Z5500s for 10 years, and finally got fed up with how much desk space they took up and crazy amounts of cables, so bought the Phanteks. These are tidy little speakers and have exceeded my expectations drastically. They also look great, and have cool RGB lights you can change. Really happy.